My name is Tim Norman. I'm a product development manager for Hardy Process Solutions. Hardy is a 104-year-old company that designs and manufactures high-performance industrial weigh scales and weighing solutions. Most of our products go into food and beverage, chemical, consumer packaged goods, and general industrial manufacturing. Hardy offers a broad range of weighing instrumentation, load cells, sensors, and scales that are used in a variety of applications, including mixing and blending, filling and dispensing, check weighing, rate control, feed control, and level monitoring. I would say it's our people. We're easy to work with and provide top-notch customer service and support. Collectively, we have hundreds of years of experience to solve even the most difficult challenges within the weighing industry. We are the innovators in weighing technology. We take pride at being at the cutting edge of technology as applied to weighing solutions in the process and packaging areas of a factory. One example of that would be plug-in weighing modules for Rockwell control systems. Our partnership with Rockwell ensures customers that they are purchasing product that is designed for seamless integration into Rockwell control systems. The partnership also keeps Hardy on the forefront of best-in-class industrial automation solutions.